It's been a long time since Old Blue saw a covered garage. So tell them what we're doing, Dave.
Well, we're going to adjust the valves and then put the brand new rebuilt shock absorbers in the back. And I had mine 25% stiffer than stock just because of the wagon. I'm going to haul stuff and maybe it'll roll less in the back with stiffer shocks. That's the hope. So we'll see.
We'll fit a bunch of guys in there and test it out.
Yeah.
So yeah, we had some fuel pickup problems, but they're all sorted now. So we think it's time to adjust the valves, and we'll get to that. But what we're looking forward to is the application of a HD version. Look at that thing. Of, you know, some knee-jerk shocks. They aren't there. Because we took them. Anyway, Old Blue. She's faithful. Is it I don't call things she or he when it comes to cars. But have you decided, since it's your car, if Old Blue has more personality than just Old Blue?
I think Old Blue's fine. It stacks now.
Yeah. And look, all the aftermath of starting fluid is beginning to take its toll on the underside of the bonnet.
It was sucking air. We didn't know.
Yeah. What else happened, Dave, recently to the air cleaner?
I don't know. What have I done?
Is that what's in the back rolling around when I was test driving it?
That was just probably tools that I threw back in there.
Okay.
Probably gone now.
Probably buried by the gas tank, the nut, the air cleaner. It went rolling.
Oh.
I'll dig it out.
Oh, we need to go forward just a hair.
Hear it. That's a good sound.
You have to support it with something.
Yeah.
It goes across. And I have a special tube that I painted orange, square tubing, and Darren used it for his truck.
Imagine that.
That's the second special piece of metal that Darren has commandeered. There's a little jack
stand. Better at marking your territory around your own place, Dave.
Yeah.
Now, I know y'all have seen antises used, but have you seen this much antises used? You're gonna love this.
It's got some good amount of antises on there. It's way too much.
Yeah. All right, well, the nut behind here was being kind. So is this guy. They both ended up working out. 11/16 was nice and tight. Let me bust them loose, get them broke free. Once I know those are ready, I can start playing with. These guys are soaking in some penetrating oil. What is it? Worcester sauce 4.0. Anywho, it's ready. It's coming together, and Dave decided to look for some better rubber bits for his.
Well, I had to press this in, so I used a washer, and so now this is like the other one.
Nice.
And I'm just going to use regular shock stuff that's split, and that should fit in there. As long as that looks like what? 3/8 probably diameter.
Maybe.
We'll figure it out.
You will figure it out. Jerk. Oh yeah. Got all kinds of washers down here. Yeah. All right. Kind of cleaned up, kind of ready to roll. You know, took some doing, but we'll be putting old HD on there. That's gonna get a little bit of good rubber bits, including the drag link. Got some rubber from a newer shock absorber. So we'll get that going, put some of our favorite. It used to be called Tranny Doctor, right, Dave?
Yeah, it was training doctor.
Now it's assembly. Ooh. Who still has a trainee doctor sitting around? So it's together. Got that guy was not easy like I hoped. Got it on. Got that on. Got that on. Got that on. So now it's time for the soccer ball.
Back on its feet.
And same. It's gonna have the same ride height. It's just
How are we
not gonna.
doing in the front? Are we not touching the Jeep?
We're not gonna touch the Jeep. Step on it. Oh, that's
yeah.
way stiff. Shocks are the same, or springs are the same.
Springs are the same.
Well, success then.
Yes, indeed.
All right.
We have the new shocks on the back.
HD.
And then,
So yeah, one of these days we'll get the wagon mine going.
and we'll see how normal compares to 25% stiffer.
There's the shock comparison, and then there's the brake boost comparison.
Well, whether the Willwood is the same as
Yeah.
the original brake. 'Cause
Yeah.
Your match shown was rebuilt, ready to go.
Mine all Saab
Yep, totally. So.
with what is it, 3/4 bore in the back wheel cylinders or 5/8? Bigger.
Bigger than whatever it
We'll
is.
see how it goes. It's feels like a ways away, but you know, after tonight, Old Blue getting some shocks, it's gonna be okay. You know, we'll get our red 67 wagon going. Thanks everybody for watching, and appreciate y'all. Have fun on your end of November, 1st of December, end of year stuff.